Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Unless you live under a rock, I'm sure you're well aware that these shipping companies are just absolutely booming. So I had quite a few questions and requests coming on this one, and rightfully so. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. Again, these have been just crazy, so who knows where this is going to eventually open up. I mean, after hours trading is crazy, but you never know where these ones. So I mean, it could gap way up from where I talk about. It could gap way down, but I figure we'll at least map out some areas, and that way we have at least some sort of an idea of what to keep an eye on. So let's start first with levels of support. And the initial area is what I would call the ideal level of support, meaning, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can hold up above $6.35 like it's been doing, that would be the best case. What do I mean when I say like it's been doing? Well, you can see right here, the bears have actually tried on a few different occasions to press down through there. But as you can see right there, the bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong. And again, each one of these represents 30 minutes. So you can see actually that within the final 30 minutes right there, very nice green candle. So, some nice life going into that final portion of the day. So we'll see if that, continues on into tomorrow or not. But no doubt about it, last 30 minutes, very, very solid action. In the event that $6.35 cannot hold as support, the next level to keep an eye on, going to call it down there at that point, which sits at $5. From the big picture perspective, the overall grand scheme of things, keep an eye on that purple line there. I realize it's totally irrelevant right now, but that is a 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this level is going to continue to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. And really from like I said, broad scope of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, then from the big picture, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health, however you want to visualize that. But really nothing to worry about in terms of the overall health of the move as long as the price is above that purple line. What about levels of resistance? At this point, I'm sure if you're watching level 2 today, you know right where I'm going to be headed. But I'm going to go ahead and call it right up there at $8.35. Sure, it went higher a couple times. A couple times it went slightly lower, but I think we can all agree quite a bit of clump of price history right around there. So $8.35, definitely public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. These ones have been exciting, so we'll see how it all unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.